Hey guys, it's Pauline. I'm not quite sure what this is. I want to say, I'm thinking this is a charm, but we'll take a look. Yes, it is a charm. So let's take a look at this. Oh, no, okay, it's a chain. All right, I remember now. Look how cute this is. I didn't know this was a, I don't think I knew that this was a coach, that it was going to have the little stagecoach on it. I think I saw the braided chain. Oh, I like this a lot. I didn't notice all this detail. I just kind of, oh, that's cute. Click, add to cart. But I didn't even notice all this. So, I am excited to try to use that. Now, I have a purse that I'm just going to grab. It's not going to go with this at all, but I'm just going to see how it hangs. Let's see. So it might do better with a large Rowan. But look, that's so cute. It doesn't go with this at all, but that's pretty. So I will try to link it below, guys. I'm really happy with it. It's better than I thought it was. All right. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.